Good morning, hikers! Woohoo! We got some newbies on our trail today. We are starting from the Whitewater segment. Everybody touch the sign. Woo! And we're going that away. We're gonna hit a connector route today because they gotta be done. Because if you're gonna be a 1,000-miler, you gotta do the 1,000 miles. Right, everybody? What are we doing today? We're gonna... There it is! Woo! Yeah, I told them we're hiking the Ice Age Trail. They said good luck. Well, your thoughts will soon be wandering the way they always do when you're walking 6 more miles and there's nothing much to do. You're on your day's last switchback. You wish the trip was through. Doom, doom, doom. Well, here I am on the road again, and there I am up on the range. Here I go playing with this Ice Age Trail again. There I go in the kettle moraine. Most times you can hear 'em talk, other times you can't. All the same old cliches. Is this a 3 mile or a 10? And watch out for those cars. Well, here we are on the road again. Here we go up on the range. Here we go on the Ice Age Trail again. There we go in the kettle moraine.
There you go. There.
10 more minutes. It's a nice country road. It's on the Ice Age Trail. Alliance map. It's nice.
Island.
It's better. It's Island Road instead of, what is the other one?
89.
89 is kind of treacherous. So do not do 89 if you can avoid it.
It's gonna be interesting.
Welcome to the Ice Age Trail Connector Routes. Hey guys, we have a newbie interview. We have two newbies, and you are?
I'm Paul.
All right.
Tanja.
And Paul, welcome to the trail.
Thank you.
And welcome to the Get Off the Couch group. So what brought you to find us here?
Curiosity, I would say.
Curiosity.
Yes. Open my Facebook account. The hike was posted there, and I'm like, well, what not? Let's give it a try. And here we are.
And there it is.
Yeah.
And Paul, you're here. Why?
I made him to.
Yeah.
Happy wife, happy life.
There you go. Nice. Well, how are you guys enjoying the hike so
It's
far?
absolutely
great.
awesome.
We're enjoying
Cool.
ourselves.
Yeah, having a lot of fun.
So
Yeah.
technically we're doing a connector route, which is sometimes on the boring side, as some people might say. But I thought as a group, why not?
Right.
It'll be fun. It is
Yeah.
fun.
It's
So
not my favorite thing to do, but because of the group and the conversation, and we're just having fun, so it makes it easy.
that's right. We got to talk to cows
Oh boy.
and
Well, you did.
geese
You
and
did,
everything.
not us.
All right. Well, thanks for coming out with us, guys.
Thank
Problem.
you guys.
All right. Get off the couch. Woo! Come on, I want to hear it. Yeah! Woohoo!
Really?
All right, we have our newbie interview, number 2. And you are?
I am Nicole.
Nicole, welcome to the club.
What's up, internet?
Not really a club, we're just people on the trail. How you doing?
I mean, we're doing all right. It's a
Yeah?
little chilly out here now.
All right, what brought you to the trail today?
Well, you know, to be honest, I got suckered into it, you guys.
Suckered in, all right.
I kind of did.
Very good.
Yeah,
And
we're helping out a friend. She needs a hiking buddy.
there you go. And that's an awesome thing to be, a hiking buddy.
I mean, she's like a mile up there, though, so.
Well, you're doing great.
Yeah.
You're like support. You're like back support.
I could do some back support right
There
now.
we go. Yeah. We're what you call a sweeper
Oh, yeah.
because, as you noticed, they crest the hill already.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we're just sweeping up on the end.
Yeah, they definitely. They were like, I think they're like, what do you think, quarter of a mile?
I don't know.
I think it's a quarter of a mile. Quarter of a country mile.
It looks long. Every time you're on the trail, it's more miles than it really is.
Oh, you know, I find that too. It's the switchbacks.
The switchback.
It's the switchbacks. I can't.
Yes. All right. Well, thanks for coming out on the trail with us today.
Absolutely.
I'm really proud to have you on our trail. Very fun. And what did we do today?
I don't even know. Where are we?
Proper responses. We got off the couch. So what did we do today?
We got off the couch. We're definitely off the couch.
Yes. Awesome. Thanks. Newbie interview number 3.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, you are?
Janella.
Janella, welcome to the trail.
Hi.
Very cool to have you. How did you hear about us?
I found you on the Facebook Ice Trail group.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Very cool. And what brings you out on the trail? Other than that.
Other than obviously doing the whole 1,000 miles eventually.
Ah, there you go.
Yeah.
You're a 1,000 miler, wouldn't it be?
Eventually, yeah.
Nice. Me too.
So getting too far away from home to do these by myself.
Yeah.
So.
There you go. I hear you. Very cool. Well, that's why we're here, so that we can work together and get these miles in and enjoy this beautiful scenery. Isn't it awesome?
It is awesome.
Much better than the
Great
road.
journey. It is much better than the road.
We figured we'd end with this.
Yeah, that road is long.
Yeah.
But
Much better than on your own, though.
yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us.
Absolutely.
And hopefully we'll get off the couch again.
Absolutely.
All right. So, how do I get to Rock County from Walworth?
You walk about 4 feet.
No way! Oh, well, that was easy.
Yeah, what you gotta say about it now?
Yeah, well, this is the password to get into Rock County.
Which is what?
I don't want to hear it.
Yeah.
Hey, we found our dragon. Captured the dragon. You hold it while I get the pearl. We did it! Woo!
Okay. Okay.
6.6 miles!
You mean it was almost 7?
Yes. Nice. Here we go, hey, ladies and gentlemen! Hello, hikers! Woo! Whitewater to Clover Valley. How do we do, everybody? Good. All right, we survived. Leave no hiker behind. Thanks for coming out, everybody. Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Woo! All right, next time, 10 miles. Just kidding. All right, what do we do? What did we do today? Yeah! 1, 2, 3. Woo!